I'm Danny, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner using a template so that you can perfectly align your important information to show up on mobile. More information will show up on desktop, and then if somebody's watching your video on TV, you'll see how they'll be able to see everything. But it's important that you understand where all the information falls so that you don't have to come back and keep tweaking this and playing with it. So starting from the home page of Canva, click Create a Design. You can type in YouTube banner, but you can see it's popping up right here. You can create one from scratch, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of the templates that already exists. I have a YouTube template that I want to use so that I can perfectly position my information. All right, so I'm going to make this the same size, and you can see on here, it shows you desktop, minimum, and mobile. If you're viewing it on a tablet, the view is going to be a little bit wider, and then your desktop and your TV view. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that name there so you can see this now. So this is where you want your information to fall. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to right-click, hold on to layer, and click Send Backwards. So now you can see some of the text laying on the top of it. And because so many people use mobile nowadays, you want to make sure that this information, your critical information, falls within this little rectangular box. Okay, and it tells you the size. But you don't want to make your banner that size because it may not scale when somebody's watching it on their TV. So you want to make sure that you get this just right. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to come back over to the Uploads tab, clear that. And then let's say I want to add a picture. So I'm going to put my picture in here, and I'm going to make sure that it fits in here perfectly. And then maybe I want to go back over to Elements, and I want to find some travel because this is for a travel blog. I'm going to search for travel, and maybe I want to just use something like this. All right, and then I can scale that to bring that up, and then I obviously want to bring that over so that it falls exactly within that. Now, if I want to make this a little bit more transparent, all I need to do is come up to this little box that looks like it's getting transparent. And then I'm going to just make that very transparent. And well, before I did that, I should have done this. I'm going to come down here and grab this text box. And then I'm going to drag that back. And now I want to put the text box back up here. And then maybe I want to add some additional information, so I can go ahead and do that. Now, if I wanted to add some other images, like maybe I want to put an airplane off to the side, that's not going to show on the mobile devices. And if I want to leave this blank, because in YouTube, when you upload this, you have the ability to click links and add different links and add links to maybe lead magnets and such. That information will appear here. So what I could do is come back over to Elements, and I can put an arrow in there. And I'm going to put this arrow here, kind of point down to whatever it is that I'm going to be offering. And again, this part is not going to show up on mobile, but it will show up on a desktop or a TV. So I'm going to put that in here and just leave that. And then let's say that I'm done with this. So now the next thing I need to do is I need to go back and remove the banner from my background. So I'm just going to click here, and I'm going to click the trash can button. And now you can see I have a pretty decent looking banner. However, one of the things that I'm noticing is the picture in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the image. I'm also going to go ahead and delete the frame. So that is my YouTube banner. Now, when I upload this to my YouTube channel, you will see like this much of this. But the rest of this you would only see on a much bigger screen. So using that template will help you out tremendously. And I'm going to put a copy of that template in the description below the video. So please make sure that you grab that, upload that as one of your uploads into your Canva account, and then you will be able to use it and it will help you out tremendously. Once that you have that done, now you can come up here and save this. So YouTube banner travel channel, whatever you choose to name it. And I'm going to go ahead and click on share. I'm going to save this to my folder. And then I am going to download this. And then once I have that downloaded, in order to upload that into your YouTube channel, you click on Customize Channel, and you click on Branding, and you're going to upload it right here under Banner Image. All right, I'm not going to go ahead and do that because I don't want to change my banner, but that is exactly what you would need to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching.